Welcome to the Online Business AMA podcast, the podcast where I answer your most pressing questions about building and growing a successful online business. I'm your host, Lauren Diana, certified business strategist and coach, here to give you the clarity, support, and strategies you need to thrive. Let's dive into today's question. In today's episode, we have a question that so many entrepreneurs struggle with every single year, myself included. Ashley asks, I seem to fail at keeping my business resolutions every year. How can I set business goals I'll actually achieve and get excited about? Ashley, this is such a fantastic question because it's a challenge that's way more common than you might think. A study by the Journal of Clinical Psychology shows that most people attempt the same resolution 10 times before finally giving up. But here's the good news. It's not about you, it's about the process. Let's talk about how to set business goals that you'll not only stick to, but also get excited about. First, start with your business vision and values. Most goals fail because they don't connect to something bigger. Before you even set goals, ask yourself, what do I want my business to look like by the end of 2025? What are my mission and values, and how do these goals align with them? When your goals connect to your vision, they become more meaningful. For example, instead of setting a generic goal like make more sales, you might say, help 100 people transform their business by getting 1,000 people on their email list through taking my course by the end of the year. It's specific, inspiring, and tied to your purpose. Next, let's break it down into steps that are much more manageable. Big goals are great, but they can feel overwhelming. The trick is to break them into smaller, actionable steps. Here's how. Identify one big goal, for example, launching a course. Break it into phases. For our course example, you would create the outline, build the content, design the sales page, etc. Assign timelines to each phase. Every small win builds momentum, and before you know it, you're making real progress. Your next step is to steal. Yes, I said steal. Steal a proven framework that you know will help you succeed. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Keep it simple. Top entrepreneurs don't rely on motivation alone. They use systems and frameworks to ensure success. One of the tools I'll share during my event, Unlock Your Best Year. Yet, the Inevitable Success Blueprint is a simple framework that helps you align your goals with an action plan. This framework takes the guesswork out of goal setting so you know exactly what to focus on and when. It's one of the most powerful ways to make success inevitable. Finally, celebrate. Celebrate when you win. Celebrate when you lose because you now know what not to do. And here's something we don't talk about enough. It's okay to pivot if a goal no longer feels aligned or achievable, adjust it. Regularly review your progress, celebrate your wins, big and small, and tweak your plan as needed. So, Ashley, the secret to setting goals you'll actually achieve is to 1, tie them to a clear vision. 2, break them into small, manageable steps. 3, use proven systems to stay on track. And for anyone listening who wants to dive deeper into this process, join me for my free live event, Unlock Your Best Year Yet, the Inevitable Success Blueprint, happening January 8th and 9th, 2025 at 1 p.m. Eastern Time each day. We'll walk step by step through designing your strategy and building your plan for 2025. This isn't the same old boring, let's make a list of goals. This is highly strategic, and we will be going deep using the same methods high-performing businesses use. It's time to stop spinning your wheels and start making big things happen. Just visit my website linked in the show notes to sign up. Ashley, thank you so much for your question. I know so many people needed to hear this. Let me know which part of this process you're excited to try, and I can't wait to hear how it transforms your year. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. I hope you found it helpful for your business. If you've got a question you'd like answered, just head on over to onlinebusinessama.com to submit yours, and it might be featured in an upcoming episode. See you next time. Want to learn more about growing your business online? Are you a coach or course creator who's looking to sell out your programs and courses? Learn more by visiting laurendiana.me.